Hey Anvik, how are you doing today?
I'm great. How are you?
I am good as well. So, good product, DemoDazzle,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
So, say goodbye to boring demos,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yes.
All right. So, let me explain to whoever is watching this video. DemoDazzle is an innovative AI product designed to automate demonstration and walkthrough process for various products and services. A major usage can be seen in the SaaS space, right? I mean, especially it would actually help the sales and marketing team to walk through the application platform, and it does this by utilizing digital humans or avatars, which is powered by OpenAI's advanced language models. And compared to other platforms or other interactive demo platforms, uh, DemoDazzle is different because it, uh, it provides real time engagement, right? So it is, we can say it is near real when it comes to the walkthrough process, and you know, of course, it is it would actually save a lot of cost, right?
Correct. Yes.
So for example, if there's a team of three people in the pre-sales, and um, with DemoDazzle, once the demo is created, it can be shared using an URL. The demo session can be shared, right? And
Yes.
the person who is actually taking the demo can interact with the avatar, at any point of time, right?
Yeah. They can
Uh,
ask questions in real time.
Good. Yeah. So yeah, absolutely. And this way, it will certainly eliminate the number of resources required in the team,
Correct.
right? All right.
Yes.
So in this session, we wanted to actually help you understand how Demo Dazzle works. So the best example we thought is like it would be to actually set up a WordPress blog, right?
Mm-hmm.
Not set up, basically to create a blog, and we want to actually, for the sake of experience, we want to actually keep it simple. But no matter how complex is your how complex your application is, it's very easy to actually create demos using Demo Dazzle,
Correct.
right? So there are two ways of creating demos. One is through Chrome extension, Anvik, right?
Yes.
And the other one is by uploading a uh, PDF, which has been generated from a PowerPoint presentation or Google slide.
Correct.
All right. So all in all, I'm pretty upbeat about this product, Anvik. So
Yes.
and yeah, I mean, very quick introduction, right? I mean, Anvik is the lead researcher, and I have pretty much played the role of a visionary in this product, right? So
Correct.
Anvik, on to you. Please uh, get started.
All right. So let me just go ahead and log in first,
Mm-hmm.
and I will show you how the assistance looks like. So this is the page where I have created all my assistants.
Nice one.
And to create more assistants, first of all, you will need a demo flow ready. So what exactly is a demo flow? So basically, demo flow is just a video, like a presentation, in which there will be a different screens highlighting which
Mm-hmm.
section you have to click or write something or anything related to that. And the assistant will basically explain those presentation.
Kind of
And
workflow, right?
correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mhm.
So there are two ways, as you explained. Like one, we can get the extension from the Chrome
Mhm.
extension store, and the other one is by uploading a PDF.
Okay.
And so for today, let's just go ahead and use the extension.
Mhm.
So for now, let's go to WordPress, and I will start my extension.
So you have
So
already logged into WordPress, right?
yes,
Okay, good.
so this extension will take a screenshot of all my clicks. So
Mm.
each click will be a separate screen, and it will also highlight where exactly I have clicked.
Okay.
All right. So like once I have started, it will show a countdown. So
Mm-hmm.
we will wait for the countdown to end, and it will take his first screenshot. So as you can
Sure.
see, it's showing one here, and
Mm-hmm.
on each
So
click,
this one is basically the initial screen, right? It captured
yes,
the first screen, right?
yes,
The
this
default.
this screen, yeah.
Okay, good.
All right. So on every click, this counter will increase.
Okay.
Okay. So like going ahead, let's click on add new site,
Mm-hmm.
and as you can see, it changed to 2.
Okay.
So
So basically, now we want to actually demonstrate, how to add a new site.
yes.
Okay.
So now here we will give a name to our blogs, which will be our domain. So let's just change it to something unique. Let's say unique blogs.
Okay.
Okay. And unique blogs. Let's see if it's available or not.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, we will add just some numbers.
Okay.
And here you can see that one is available, unique blocks 1 to 3. They have added 7. There's no problem.
Yeah,
Let's
and
just
I mean,
go
yeah,
ahead
for
with that.
demonstration purpose, it's fine, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
So I will just choose this one,
Mm-hmm.
and then I will continue.
Okay.
And here there are
So
different
every,
plans.
on every click, like, when you clicked on continue, I mean,
Yeah.
the screenshot was taken, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
That's why the number is 5 now,
Okay, good.
because there are 5 screens now.
Sure.
All right. So now they are asking us to choose a plan. So let's just go ahead with free plan.
All right.
Now it's asking me whether what are my goals.
Mm-hmm.
So since we have to create a blog, we will just click on the right and publish,
Okay.
and then continue.
Mm-hmm.
And there are some optional steps like giving the blog a name and tagline. Let's leave it for now.
All right.
All right. We will click on continue. And again, it's asking me like draft your first post. I'll click on start writing.
Okay.
Let's wait for the blog to initialize.
Sure. And we are almost there.
Yes. All right. So let's add a title here.
Mm-hmm.
And the title should be DemoDazzle Say Goodbye
Goodbye to boring demos.
Boring Demos. Right.
Mm-hmm.
And I've already copied my content
Mm-hmm.
from ChatGPT. You can
Mm-hmm.
use any other AI tools or
So,
maybe write your own blog
sure.
and paste it here.
Okay.
All right. One thing you might have noticed that the counter is not increasing right now.
Yeah.
It could be because sometimes some application might restrict the events. So in that case, we have a solution for that. You can just take a screenshot. Let's just take a screenshot now,
Okay.
and we can later add it in our demo flow.
All right.
All right.
So
So I've
wherever between the frames, we need this screen, it can be just added there, right? In
yes,
between, right?
correct. Yes.
Okay.
And now I have already pasted my blog, and I will just click on publish.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Okay.
Now it is published and asking us to see the post. We'll just click on view post.
Okay. So did we take the screenshot of sort of this page as well? I mean, the view
Yes.
post. Oh, good.
Yes.
All
All
right.
right. So now we will take the screenshot of this page as well.
All right. So
Okay.
mostly, I mean, around the editor, somehow there could be some restrictions, but I mean, it does not stop DemoDazzle from creating an extensive full-fledged demo.
Correct.
Okay, good.
Right. All right. So let's just stop our extension here.
Okay, so essentially,
And
we have captured our demo flow,
yeah. So
right?
as you can see, the video is generating. And
Okay,
once it is generated, what we will do is we will add a short description for each screen. So that description will be used by the assistant to speak in the demo session.
okay.
So I will show that. Let's just go here.
Uh-huh.
And first of all, there is no name right now.
Okay,
And let's just give it a name. Since we created a blog page, let's name it create blog page.
all right.
All right.
Mhm.
And now for each screen, what we will do is we will add a description.
Sure.
So here, this is the manage
Mm-hmm.
sites page. All right.
Yep.
Let's give it some codes. Now moving ahead, see, you can see that it was automatically highlighted
I see.
using our extension.
Absolutely. Yep.
And let's just give a description here as well. Like we are giving a short description right now, but you can
Or
elaborate
yeah,
it
I mean,
as per your.
yeah, it
Yes,
just depends on what you need, what you want the avatar to speak about. Correct.
correct, correct.
Good.
Okay, now moving ahead, choose your domain,
Hmm.
select your preferred domain,
Okay.
click on continue.
Hmm.
Now, one thing we will do here is we can even change how the overlay looks like because it's now highlighting only the free plan, but we
Right.
would like it to highlight all the plans. So just click here and stretch it like this.
Hmm.
You can change the text as well. We will do choose your plan.
Preferred preferred plan or something like that. Yeah.
Yeah, yes, we can add the elaborated description here
Correct.
like
Correct.
choose your preferred plan.
Mm-hmm.
And then here we will do click on right and publish.
All right.
This is the additional screen. This is an additional screen, so we will just remove it
Mm-hmm.
and then we will click on continue.
Okay.
Here as well, we can like specify that this step was optional. So this is an optional
Optional
step.
step. Mm-hmm. Good.
You can click continue and here click on start writing.
Okay.
All right. So some of the screens were missing. So what
Mm-hmm.
we will do is we will just click here
And add
and
those screenshots which you had taken.
yeah,
Okay. Good.
we will just crop it,
Mm-hmm.
add it, and insert the elements.
Okay.
Here we want to specify the publish button. So let's
Okay.
go like this. Add a text box and write click here to publish.
So essentially, we copied, right? After maybe yeah. After copying, we have to publish. So in the description, you can write
Yeah,
after
like you
copying the
can,
blog or writing the blog.
yes, after adding the content,
Mm-hmm.
you can click on the publish
Publish.
button.
All right. Fair enough.
All right.
Yes.
And the last one was the view one.
Okay.
Okay, it's not this one. Let's change.
No worries.
Yes, this is the final page.
Okay.
Here you can write that now this
This
is
is
our
how
live
your yeah.
blog page. All right.
Yeah.
So that's enough, and we will just press on done.
Correct.
And let's just wait for a couple of seconds for the video to generate.
Mm-hmm. That's so fast. It's amazing.
Yes, it's quick.
Good.
All
Mm.
right. So our video is ready. So moving ahead, let's create our first assistant
All right.
and come here and now it's asking for some details like
Sure.
what is the name of the assistant and some training information. So this training information will be used by the AI to answer the
Mm-hmm.
questions that the user will be asking during the demo session.
All right.
All right. So you will need to write all the details of the application in this
Mm-hmm.
section.
Mm-hmm. So that
Okay.
it can actually pick from that content and talk about the product, right?
Correct. Yes.
And if it is if it does not have enough information, then it will straight away ask Chat GPT.
Correct.
Correct?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
All right. So let's name the assistant first. So we
Okay.
can go ahead with, let's say just since it's WordPress, then let's go with WordZ.
Okay.
And here the background, this is an optional step. Like you can
Mhm.
choose a background image if
Oh,
you
is
want.
that
Yeah.
so? Okay, so pretty much like the way we choose background in
In
Zoom
the,
and Meet,
yes,
right?
correct,
Okay, good,
correct.
good, good.
So we will go here and let's just go ahead and choose an image. I will search for it.
Sure.
Here, I have chosen a meeting background image.
Okay. Okay.
And here in the training information, I can write about WordPress. So let's just Google some of the features of WordPress. Features of WordPress.
Okay.
And let's go here and copy some of the details.
Okay.
And
Yeah. Maybe you
let's,
can just copy over the whole thing, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
I have copied it and I will paste it. And here we will need to put some introduction for the assistant. So
All right.
this introduction will be spoken by the assistant at the start
Okay.
of the demo session.
Okay.
So it could
Good.
be something like, hello, I am Wordsy,
Let's see.
your guide for the session.
All right. Very good.
All right.
Yep.
So moving ahead, let's go next. And here we will choose the demo modules we have just created.
Mm.
So it could be
Okay.
multiple. And
All right.
since we have created one right now, so let's go ahead and add
So
the
when you
name.
say, I mean, for each module, there will be a separate video, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
So it
Good.
will be easier for the users to interact and skip between the modules
Right.
to
Right.
understand each different sections of your
Absolutely. So
application.
every module will appear as a segregated, you
Yeah.
know, sections. Okay.
So create blog page,
Hmm.
and here we will choose the create blog page demo
Okay.
flow. Now moving ahead, let's go next. And here's our FAQ section. So what
Okay.
happens is whenever a user asks a question,
Hmm.
so first of all, the AI will try to find it in the introduction section.
Hmm.
And if it finds it there, then it will answer. Otherwise, it will ask ChatGPT for the answer.
Okay.
And to make the process even quicker, what we can do is we can provide some of the FAQs.
Frequently asked
Like,
questions. Uh-huh.
yes, like how many blogs can we publish?
Hmm.
So the response we can generate it using our AI features,
Okay.
or either we can write our own.
All
All
right.
right. So here the AI wrote, you can publish an unlimited numbers of blogs on WordPress. There are no restrictions on the number of posts you can create. This is
Okay.
accurate. So we
All right.
don't need to change it.
And we
All
can
right.
add as many FAQs possible, as
Yeah.
we need, right?
Yes.
Okay. Using that plus button, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Good. All
All
right.
right.
Fair enough. Yeah.
Yes. So moving ahead,
Mhm.
here there are some options for the audios,
Okay.
and we have also the like avatar generator.
Mm-hmm.
And let's just go with this voice and add a,
What's that voice called?
it's called Nova. You can hear it from our this listen button,
Okay. So
and
and we have six
six
different
different
voices.
voices. Yes.
Okay. Good. All right.
All right. And let's just give a jacket,
Mm-hmm.
and that looks fine.
Okay.
And just press next.
This is our WordPress girl, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So continue without signing,
Mm-hmm.
and this will be ready.
Okay.
And you can see like how like different customization options are there. You can even upload your own photo so that it looks like you.
Okay. Good.
All right, so let it generate. In the meantime, what we can do is, now what you have to do is create unique sessions
Mm-hmm.
for your customers. For
Okay.
that, you can come here and click on your new session and write the name. Let's say I
Okay.
have it to give it to you, so I will
Mm.
add your name, Bawal Prasad, and click
Okay.
on create. It will give me a link. I can
So
copy it. This
remind me, where did you assign the avatar to the demo flow?
like for the video we just created.
Yes.
Yeah, in the second step here.
Oh, okay. This
Yeah.
is where. Yeah. Right. Right.
Yes, we can choose multiple videos as well.
Okay.
And here
Okay.
we
Yeah.
chose
The
the create
modules.
blog
We
page.
we just call it modules. Correct.
Correct.
Right.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Good. 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 Good.
All right. So we just created a session and I already copied it. But let's just say that if we have to see the history of sessions you have created, you can just come here in the manage sessions. And here you can see the assistant name Wordsy, session name Babul
Okay.
Prasad, and here is the session URL.
Pretty good.
All right.
Good. Good.
And
Good.
here you can see whenever the person accesses it.
Sure.
All right. And in just in case, if you don't want them to access once you have shared already, you can just click on revoke
Yeah.
and it will
Mm.
cancel their access.
Makes sense.
All right. So let's just go ahead and see how our sessions look. So for
Sure.
that, I will need to share my specific tab. I
Sure.
will just share that.
Mm-hmm. Please do. All right. It looks nice.
Thank you. So can you see?
Yes.
All right. So if you can see the background image was updated.
Yep.
Assistant is in the middle, and the
Right.
modules we have created are visible here. Since we
All
have created
right.
only single module,
Only
it's
one
only
is
one.
listed. All right.
Otherwise, there would have been more.
Good.
All
Good.
right. So let's just start.
Hello, I am Wordsy, your guide for the session.
All right. So that was the introduction.
Mm-hmm.
It was short. We can
Right.
even elaborate that. All
Absolutely.
right. So let's just start the session.
This is the Manage Sites page. Click on Add New Site, choose your domain,
Mm-hmm.
select your preferred domain, click on Continue, choose your preferred plan, click on Write and Publish, click on Continue. This is an optional step. You can click Continue, click on Start Writing. After adding the content, you can click on the Publish button.
All right. So that was it. And we can ask some questions.
Mm-hmm.
And let's just say, um, let's ask like, what type of blogs can I publish?
Or
All right.
let's say, how many blogs can I publish? I mean, let's
Yes.
keep it short, right?
Yeah. How many blogs can I publish? All
You
right.
can
So,
publish an unlimited number of blogs on WordPress. There are no restrictions on the number of posts you can create.
all
Very
right.
good.
So that was it. It was quick and fast.
No, absolutely. Very good. Very good. I mean, I think this would certainly give an idea to people because most people know, like, what WordPress is, right?
Mm-hmm.
And how easy it is to actually set up demo using DemoDazzle,
Right.
right?
Yeah.
I think there are four important things which I'd like to mention and then wind up.
Mm-hmm.
So the first one is like it would actually save on the salaries that any company uh, gives to the say sales resource or pre-sales resource or product
Mm-hmm.
managers. I mean whosoever is actually giving the demo,
Yeah.
right? The second is like there would be an impact on missed demos and reschedules, right?
Yes.
Because I mean once you share the link, I mean it is up to the prospect to uh, look at a demo and have an interactive session because this is where Demo Dazzle is different, right?
Yes.
There are a number of other demo systems or demo softwares, right?
Correct.
But they do not give you this kind of capability, right? Ability to actually ask questions while the demo is being done from an AI avatar. This is different, right?
Yes.
So the third, yeah, I mean I talked about the flexibility and availability, sorry,
Mm-hmm.
right? And real-time interactive nature, right?
Yes.
uh, I'm sure huge cost saving, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this is going to actually help in a lot of different domains, right?
Yes. Yes.
So
Correct.
with this, I mean, let's keep on striving to improve and learn every day, right, Anvik?
Yes.
And thanks for being here with me.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.